Hello friends, this is Mayank Chachra here, and I'm going to show you today how to use Studio Accountant and the overview of Studio Accountant software. So first of all, we open Studio Accountant and you can see it opens automatically, and you can log in through your user ID and password. So click on OK and just go to this software features. So first of all, we do the customer details settings. So we just choose the customer details, and we have in customer details we have many options in it. Like if you want to add your customer's name, phone number, email ID, address, with a customer type, what kind of customer he is, and you can write a customer birth date, anniversary, so that you can send SMS to them. And the next feature is studio order type, so that you can add a studio orders, like what things you sell in your studio, so you can add the items with the prices. And you can get to expert category. You can add the expert prices here with the categories of items, like either HD camera or video camera, or and you go to expert details, how many experts you have in your link. So just record all the experts you have in your link, like a cameraman, video person, and you can make quotations. Like click on new, you can add customer's name, you can add customer's mobile number, you can add the purpose, you can add the items, and one by one you can make a quotation, and you can send the customer a PDF format quotation. And you can make also users. In users you can make multiple users according to your employees, and you can also give rights to them, what kind of features your user can use in the software. You can add processes, how many processes you have in your studio, like you have designing, printing, binding, album binding, corrections. So you can add multiple processes in there, and you can also send SMS to them. And reference master, you can add multiple references from which reference your customer has come to your lab or studio. So you can add multiple references with a name, email ID, and phone number. SMS master, in which you can add your own SMS, predefined SMS, so that you can send SMS automatically to your customers, like birthday wishes and any offers. Event booking, you can book any new events. So click on OK, and it starts from number 1. So you can add multiple items in it, and you can make an invoice for your customer. You can book an event, and while you're booking an event, your software will send a message to your client automatically. So you can make the complete invoice, and you can book an event. And now it's giving a message that you don't have any process right now, so it doesn't matter, we can fill up the software after this. So just leave this part and just choose the next part, studio booking. In studio booking we have a new option of studio booking, like we can also add customers' birth date and anniversaries with the items, and you can also add customer and select customer from the list. And you can add items, you can make an invoice of your customers, you can send instant SMS to your client, the thanks for visiting my studio. These kind of features we have in the software. And the next feature, expert booking, you can book experts for the wedding, so you can book photographers from the software. You can take payments in the receipts tab, and you can record it. You can make payments and you can record it, like salaries and bills. And you can get the reports of each and every work done in a studio, like studio details, studio booking details, event details. You can take the balance report, how many people are there who has to give a little bit balance to you. So you can get all the reports of each and everything. In settings we can do the currency settings, we can do the backup path setting, so we can do the SMS settings in the software. We have everything in the software in which we can do every settings in the software. And we can choose the backup path like D drive. And finally we just go to the company info, and in company info we have the complete company info here. So we can add your own company details with a name, address, with logo, everything, and update it, and click on close. And we go to the send SMS. We can send bulk SMS to clients with their own name in that SMS. So we can choose the SMS, we can select the customers, we can send SMS to all. So we can send all the customers one SMS as an offer, and you can also send a balance reminder SMS to all the clients, so you can get the complete list of person who has a little bit balance towards your company. And we have a process option, we can add multiple process here, and we can add messages to the process. We can forward the process from one process to another, and we can check the movements of the process, where your customer work is currently in. And we have all the features inside the software. It's very great. And you can also update your software, just getting your key ID, and just choose your key ID and go to the key ID tab and just add the key ID and update your software. So every time we have a new version of the software, you'll get a free update of that. So this is the complete version of Studio Accountant, and you can also take a backup of your database. So you just click on this, and it'll ask you that do you want to take a backup. So you just click on yes, you can take a backup. So this was the complete overview. Now let's start with the single features of Studio Accountant. Thanks for watching the overview.